Let's look at another example. We have some raw data here. Let's put it into a stem and leaf plot so we can give it some organization. We have 20s and here's an 11. So we need to see 20s and 11 and 30s. So we'll need a 1 for our stem and a 2 for our stem and a 3. I'm going to eyeball this about the halfway point and start to actually put the data into the stem and leaf. Here we have a 25, 22, 11, 31, 20, 22, 27, 30, 21, 21, 34, 23, 16, 22, 26. Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 items. So our data is fine. We do not need this anymore because now our data is organized. So let's take this off and make this look prettier so we can actually use the data. So we're going to have an 11, 12, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 21, 22, 22, 22. 23, 23, 25, 26, 27, 30, 30, 31, 34. Let's count to be sure that we have 21 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Good. It all transferred over well. So we don't need our stem and leaf plot anymore because our numbers are now finally organized and in order. So we can all done with our stem and leaf plot. Now we're going to actually start to do our box and whisker. With organized data, we now know what our smallest point is and our largest point. So we need a number line. That starts with 11 and ends with 34. So that's that. If that's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, just 20. Had enough line there. So this is 34. So now we've got our number line set up, and that is going to show the box and whiskers. We now have to find the median points of our data. So there were 21 items in the whole thing, and if we divide by 2, we're going to get 10 with a remainder of 1, so it would be 10 and a half. We're only going to count over 10 because those are the whole numbers that we're going to be using. So from the front, we will count over 10 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And from the back, we're going to count over 10 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is here. The number that's between them happens to also be 22. That is the middle number right there, the middle of our data set. So we're going to take this number, 22, and show it on our number line. 1, 2, here's 22. That divides the set of data into the two sections. Now we have to take both of the sections and divide those in half. So we were here with our halfway point, this one right there. So we're going to now take our 10 and divide that into two parts. So this time we're going to count over 5. Starting at the 11, I'm going to count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Starting at this middle number, I'm going to count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the number between the two, since we have an odd number, is our 19. So 19 becomes the second line on our box and whisker. So we're going to have, here's 20, 19 would be here. Again, now I'm going to start from the very back and count over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then start here with the middle and count over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because there's a number between these two, that's going to be my next line on the graph, 26. 26 is here. Okay, so we've got our middle number is 22. The next middle of the first set of data is 19. And the other number we needed was 26. Those numbers get connected. The box parts get connected. So now that we have our lines on here, all we have to do is make a box out of it. This part is the box of our box and whisker. It is the middle two sections of this box and whisker, because these from here to the 11 is a whisker. And from the 26 to the 34 is the other whisker, which of course divides our whole box and whisker into 4 separate sections, where we have the first quartile, the second quartile, the third quartile, and the fourth quartile. So our box and whisker not only shows the data in chronological order, because we are working on a number line, but it also gives you a picture, because most of the data on this data set falls in the box, and the outliers fall on the whiskers.